Next, genetic code. Chemically specified language present on mRNA in the form of codons is called genetic code. Chemically specified language present on mRNA in the form of codons is called genetic code. It is decoded into a protein during translation. It is decoded into a protein during translation. Actually, this genetic code is determined and directed by the DNA, that is end strand of DNA, and based on this end strand of DNA, mRNA also will be produced. So let us come to the historical account and also some scientific contribution. An Indian scientist, Hargobind Khorana, developed a chemical method for the synthesis of RNA molecule with defined combination of bases. First, Hargobind Khorana developed chemical method for the synthesis of RNA molecules. Synthesis of RNA molecule with defined combinations of nitrogen bases or nucleotides. Next, Nirenberg's developed cell-free system for the protein synthesis. Nirenberg, that is Marshall Nirenberg, developed cell-free system for protein synthesis. So here, that is cell-free system in the sense means in the in vitro condition. And when it comes to this Hargobind Khorana will be developed, that is a copolymers and homopolymers. Next, Severo Ochoa will be developed an enzyme polynucleotide or discovered an enzyme Severo, that is polynucleotide phosphorylase. Severo Ochoa discovered polynucleotide phosphorylase enzyme. As we mentioned in post-transcriptional modifications, so there is a defined combinations of bases, or that is one type of nitrogen bases will be continuously adding. That is synthesis of nucleotides or nitrogen bases, template independent manner or enzymatic synthesis. In the honor of Ochoa, this enzyme is also known as Ochoa enzyme. The polynucleotide phosphorylase is also known as Ochoa enzyme. So these are the scientists who will be deciphered, that is involved in the deciphering of genetic code: Corana, Marshall Nirenberg, even Enric Mathieu, and also Severo Ochoa. Next, codon is a triplet. It was proposed by George Gamow. George Gamow, a physicist. Proposed codon is a triplet. He proposed, and that is codon is a triplet or triplet codon. That means with the defined combinations. So if you take codon is a singlet, in the sense it can code. For example, like you can take codon is a singlet. In case if the codon is a singlet, in the sense it can able to code only 4 amino acids, like uracil, you can take cytosine, adenine, and then guanine. Each one can code 1 amino acid. If codon is a doublet, so it can able to code up to 16 amino acids. 16 amino acids, but actually 20 amino acids are exist. So that therefore 4 into 4 the permutation combination is, and it would generate 64 codons. It would generate 64 codons, and this 64 codons is enough to code 20 amino acids. 64 codons. In these 64 codons, 61 codons are sense codons. That means they can code for amino acids, and 3 codons acts as termination codons to stop the polynucleotide. 3 codons, 61 codons can code sense codons, and that is also known as sense codons, and 3 codons acts as a termination codons. The 61 is also known as initiation codons, and the 3 codons is also known as nonsense codons.